Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to cover an essay by Ezra Pound, that is A Few Do Not Buy an Imagist. So to explain this essay I'm going to take help of my house test because a question had come from this part, and that question is appropriate to understand the main points or the highlights of the essay. So I have considered my house test in this. So the question that came was critically analyze Ezra Pound's literary theory of imagism and what effect does it have on modern poetry. तो क्वेश्चन क्या था कि उन्होंने बोला था कि आपने सबसे पहले एनालाइज करना है इमेजिज्म थ्योरी को जो एजरा पाउंड ने दी थी। ठीक है, उसके बाद इस थ्योरी का यानी कि इमेजिज्म का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा है मॉडर्न पोइट्री पे उसको डिस्कस करना है। ठीक है, सो वी नो कि इमेजिज्म क्या था। तो इमेजिज्म वाज अ पोइटिक मूवमेंट दैट emerged in the early 20th century, and that same was to use precise, short, direct, clear and a single image in poetry। ठीक है, कि ऐसी पोइट्री लिखनी है जो शॉर्ट हो, मतलब ज़्यादा लॉन्ग पोइट्री नहीं लिखनी है, पोइम नहीं लिखनी है, शॉर्ट पोइम लिखनी है, प्रिसाइज लिखनी है, डायरेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ सब्जेक्ट करना है। ठीक है, ऐसी पोइट्री लिखनी है जो अपने रीडर्स के माइंड में एक सिंगल इमेज क्रिएट करे, एकदम क्लैरिटी हो, शार्प इमेज हो। तो जब हम ऐसी टेक्निक यूज़ करते हैं तो वो इमेजिज्म होती है। ठीक है, तो और ये फाउंड किया था एजरा पाउंड ने, एंड दिस इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इमेजरी। आगे हम वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इट क्लियरली। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। Make it new. A quotation by Ezra Pound. Now, who was he? Then Ezra Pound, who was an English poet, a great scholar, and a literary critic, holds an important position in the development of modern poetry because he founded Imagism. That is the very important part of modern poetry. He is the founder of Imagism in the English literature. Imagism was a literary technique and a poetic movement that focuses on precision, brevity, directness and use of clear single image in poetry। ठीक है, Ezra Pound has published his essay A Few Do Not Buy an Imagist in 1998, in that he provides clear and necessary guidelines for the poets who wants to try their hand in modern poetry. His main focus was the use of imagism, that is contradictory or is different from literary term imagery, that is generally used in writing a work and